you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Mary, TheSharelady. So in today's video, I want to do a review of the Syinix front load washing machine, 8 kgs. So this is not a paid promotion. This is just a personal review of a product that I got and I've been using. So be sure to enjoy this video, watch to the end. Remember to hit the subscribe button to support my content. Yeah, so I decided to upgrade from my previous semi-automatic washing machine to a fully automatic one because of time. The previous machine that I had required for me to be there whenever I was doing laundry, but to save on time because of other things that I get to do on the side, I decided to upgrade to a fully automatic washing machine. Yeah, so I got this machine at Skymall in Luthuli Avenue. Yes guys, in Luthuli. I know most of you fear shopping in Luthuli, but that is where I buy most of my electronics, like TVs and stuff. Yeah, so that is where I got this machine in Luthuli Avenue. You can see there's a mall, there's a Skymall in Luthuli. You can check that out if you're interested.
That's all I wanna do.
Yeah, so the specific shop that I got my machine from is in the second floor, uko ndani kwa Skymall. There are other shops there. They deal with a lot of stuffs. They had other types of machines, but I decided to go with this one. Yeah, so I chose this machine because of the budget that I was working with. It didn't cost me much comparing with other types of machines. Actually, this one was the cheapest one, considering it's an 8 kg machine. Yeah, so this machine costed me 36k. 36k is not a lot for a front load 8 kg. Mostly you will find like a 7 kg or even that kind of thing. But I managed to get this machine at 36k. So this machine is like a new brand. I've never seen it before. I saw it for the first time. I was just looking for a basic machine, not with like other features, because my budget was really limiting me. This machine comes with a 2-year warranty also. So immediately after unboxing the machine, this is what the machine looks like. On top of here we have the manual and the warranty also. Yeah, and some other features that are here on top. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, so I always opt a gray silver. I don't know if I can say silver gray or silver or something. This grayish color on my appliances. I also forgot to ask if the machine comes with other colors, so that one I cannot tell. I don't know if it comes with any other color, but I always opt for this color. Yeah, so this is an 8 kg front load washing machine, which comes with a 1200 rotations per minute. Which is good enough. Actually, it is enough. 1200 is enough. Inakausha, nikukausha. Those are the maximum rotations for this machine. Yeah, considering that there are other machines that do a maximum of 1000 rotations per minute, this one is okay. Yeah, let's have a look at the drum on the inside. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, we also have the water inlet pipe. It's not that long, it's like around 1 meter. It's not that long also. Yeah, and then here we have the knob. This is what you use on the wash selector. Yeah, at the back this is what it looks like. Yeah, so the water outlet pipe, this is the water outlet pipe. It should stay this way. You should not tamper with it, just leave it that way. And then we have also these two thingies that you have to remove. I'll show you later on. Yeah, so I had to buy other things on the side. This is a water outlet pipe because the one that comes with the machine is not that long, and because the machine is in the kitchen, you see I cannot drain water inside the kitchen, otherwise it will cause flooding. So I decided to add this water outlet hose. There were other types, one that almost looked like the one that came with the machine, but I was not sure if it would fit in with it would fit in. This is also the water inlet pipe. I decided to buy a longer one. This is a 2 meter one. Unfortunately, by the time I was buying, I didn't know that it was not long enough. But I'll show you what I did to make sure that it fitted. So I got these pipes at Sheikh Karume Road. So there are the contacts of the lady that I got them from. I just got her contacts and she was really nice to guide me on the items that I got. I also got this tap. She really advised me to get one. This is not like the best quality of the tap, but it works. There's another one that was a bit expensive. This tap I got for 400, but there was another one going for 800, which she told me was the better quality, but also this one works. It depends with how you're going to take care of it. So that lady, she really advised me well. So there, I'll display her contacts down there, so that in case you're interested in this stuff, you can just call her. She'll direct you to her shop, and then and she'll guide you. So on the other things, I also needed to do to install a socket, because this kitchen was not built to house a machine, so we needed to install a socket. So I bought this 2.5 double twin. I bought this 2.5 twin cable. The original one is this one from East African Cables. The others are from China, but those ones are not good. I also got a double socket also. I needed an extra socket, so that is why I bought a double socket.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not to
Yeah, so my electrician advised that we borrow power from this socket. Yeah, this is the cooker socket. This is where we borrowed the power from. Yeah, so the cable went from here all the way around. It passed there on top of the window right there, and back to this side. This is where we mounted, we decided to mount the socket.
If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Yeah, so in any front load washing machine that you'll buy out there, it comes with this kind of two thingies, I don't know what I should call them, at the back of the machine, that are installed to protect the drum during a transportation. You should install them like when you're planning to move, but you have to remove them if you for the machine to function. Yeah, so the tool that we are using, this tool also came with the machine. It's supposed to be there. Yeah, so we are going to remove these ones. We can do it ourselves. We had a technician come over to help with the tap installation, and he is the one who advised us on how to do it, so we decided to do it ourselves. Yeah, so after you remove them, don't throw them away because you'll be needing them each time you'll be moving out, or you'll be moving the machine. Yeah, so they are to protect the drum, but you have to remove them before washing. And for people who forget to remove them, you find that when you try to operate the machine without removing them, the machine will like vibrate like crazy, like ni kama inarukaruka. So you have to remove them. Remember to have them removed. If you cannot remove them yourself, definitely you have to hire a technician to do it for you, but it's an easy thing to do, like you can see, like you're doing here. So my husband did it because I was filming, but it's just unscrew and pull it out using the tool. Yeah, so you have to keep them safely because you'll be needing to use them if you'll be moving, in case you'll be moving, but if you're living in a place permanently, yeah, but still you'll need them, so just keep them safely. Yeah, so after removing them, there's this kakifuniko. This one you use to funika the shimo where you've removed. Yeah, this one is the one that you use to cover the shimos. Yeah, so that is how the machine should be before you start using it. Yeah, it's been now 2.5 months since I got this machine, and so far I can say so far so good. It's functioning like it should be. I have not experienced any problem with it, especially technical problems. I've not had any technical issues with the machine. So right now I'm doing some of my laundry. I know in one of my videos I mentioned how I like to use this Ariel liquid detergent. Wanga inangarisha vizuri sana. Sometimes it's a bit expensive, but when it comes to like the white clothes or any other kind of clothes, it really washes well. And then on the downy, I decided to use the sensitive ones. And then on the downy, I decided to use this sensitive one because I react to the other one. Yeah, so this is how we did the tap installation. You see how we installed the tap. I can still operate the tap ya kitambo, and now the machine tap. So I've just opened that tap. Yeah, so this is the tap that is running all the way to the machine. This is the 2-meter pipe that I bought, inlet pipe, but you see it didn't go all the way to the machine. So there's this thingy that I got in the hardware. It costs like 30 bob. This is what we used to connect with the other pipe, the other pipe that came with the machine. So it runs like that into the machine. So that is how the water flows. Yeah, so also here is the socket. All this was done, super great.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
Yeah, for the outlet pipe we didn't do much. Tuliongeza tu tape hapo, and it joins ikashikana vizuri. So this is how I drain. Yeah, so this is how I drain the water from the machine. Whenever I'm doing laundry, I always pull out the drainage pipe whenever I'm doing laundry, but I always fold it back after doing laundry.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down.
As you can see, guys, the machine really works well. Yeah, it washes well. Yeah, although for some of the clothes like the socks, I decided to be hand washing them. Yeah, I used to do the same even with the previous machine, so only for the socks that I hand wash. Yeah, I've also been successfully able to wash duvets. So far I've washed, yeah, this one is my third one that I've washed. I've washed others for the kids. They are 4x6 size, but this one is quite big and it washed well. So for the duvet option, it washes with hot water. You can see how this one really came out clean, super clean. Yeah, as a first time front load machine user, I can say I'm satisfied. It's a basic machine. It does the basic, yeah, and it works well, it functions well. Yeah, so
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
that is all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something new. So leave me a comment down there, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.